So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair silver, and the product that we are going to be using is this. So it's by the brand called Stargazer, and I actually bought this on Amazon. It's in the shade Silverlook, and I can't wait to use it, so let's get on with it. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all feeling absolutely fabulous today. Today's video, I'm gonna dye my hair. Not tomorrow night, but the night after. I have a night out. I haven't had a night out, as in out, in such a long time. So I thought, yeah, let's make some kind of effort and dye my hair. So I went in my drawer of tricks. I have quite a few toners and hair dyes and so on. I've been stocking up on them so I could do videos for my channel. So I put my hand in and randomly picked this one out. I actually have two of these just in case I need a second one for my hair. But this is by the brand Stargazer, and it is in the shade Silverlook. It says here, hair colour rinse, semi-permanent. Conditioning formula, easy to use, ammonia free, includes gloves. So I actually bought this on Amazon. I will link this down below in the information box and the comment box for you. I have got two. I've opened this one just to have a little nosy inside to see what we get. So yeah, let me show you exactly what you get inside. So as it states, inside we get gloves, fantastic. Then we get the colourant itself. So when I first saw this, it was a little bit worrying, if I'm totally honest, because that is just like a very royal blue colour. But I suppose to dye hair silver, I suppose it kind of has to be that colour. I haven't dyed my hair in a little while, so super excited to do it. In fact, let me just show you my hair. So this is what we are dealing with. So I'm growing out my grey hairs. I have been for a few years, and we are getting there, slowly getting there. It's a mixture of grey hairs and white hairs. And for the last, I don't know, year, maybe just over a year, I have been bleaching my hair. Not me personally, been going to a hairdresser to get a balayage done. And this is my balayage. But I really want these ends to take effect because I think it would be quite a cool look to have silver hair to match the silver, or some of the silver roots that I have, and why not? On the box it does actually have instructions on how to use this. It's got its normal caution label on here. It's telling you that it's a conditioning formula and vibrant colours and so on. I'm going to be a very good girl this video. I'm going to do exactly what the instructions say. Normally I go on a tangent and kind of do my own thing, but no, we're going to use it as it says. So the instructions is, prepare the work surfaces with the aid of old towels. If the colour touches the skin, wash off immediately. Shampoo your hair. Do not use a conditioning shampoo and conditioner. A pH acid balanced shampoo is the best, and towel dry. Cut the nib and apply the dye with the aid of the gloves provided, or a tint brush, evenly covering the area required. Make sure that the hair's been mixed through with the colour. Leave for approximately 15 to 30 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly, washing away from the face. The hair is ready for styling. On my roots to the midlands, and then when all of that's done all over my head, then I'm going to do the ends, and yeah, we'll probably, because it's been on a little while, probably leave about 25 minutes. That's the plan, sort of. So yeah, I am going to go away. I am going to go and wash my hair with something that is not conditioning. Do you think Head and Shoulders would be okay? That's what we're going to use. I'm going to nick my husband's Head and Shoulders. I will be back with towel dried hair. So I am back. Hair is washed. I'm using a very old hair dye towel. I've had this longer than I can remember. It's covered in hair dye already, so I don't care if it gets more on. I've just popped a vest top on. I don't care if this gets hair dye on either, so we can be wild with the dye. Although maybe not, because I'm in my bedroom and there's a cream carpet, so I'm gonna have to try and be good. But let's get towel drying my hair and we'll start applying. Oh, well, that's a look. So, gloves. Okay, so it says to cut the nib off, but you don't have to. You just take this little top off and then you can see it come through there. So yeah, we don't have to do that. Fabulous. Let's get the sectioning. Let's get the taking the earrings out first, Joanne. Earrings out. Let's get the sectioning. This is the first section, as you can see. This is what it looks like. It's quite thick, actually. Not as pigmented as I thought, but it's still quite pigmented. Stargazer hair dyes have been turning heads for over 20 years. The fantastic formula conditions and gives you the brightest, rich, long-lasting colour you can buy. With 36 colours to choose from, you'll be able to create a visual colour feast. The colours are all mixable, and the white can be used to lighten the other shades. No colour is out of reach if you are bold enough to try. So features and details of this product. It is gentle on your hair. It's semi-permanent hair colour with a conditioner that is free from ammonia or peroxide, so will not damage your hair. It's a long-lasting colour, it's easy to apply, strong hair colour that can last up to 15 washes in pre-lightened hair. This does include gloves in the box so you can apply without getting your hands dirty. The bottle is enough to cover shoulder-length hair. The formula of this product is vegan and cruelty-free. All done, this is what it looks like. So looking at where my blonde bits are at the end of my hair, they are now blue. Purpley blue. But I'm going to leave this on for 25 minutes. I'm going to have a shower, take my face off, so when I get back, prepare yourself because there's going to be nothing on this face. I'm going to get my hair dryer and just roughly dry my hair because like I say, it's very, very late at night. I'm going to go to bed. When I get up in the morning, I'm going to put my face on and then I'll sit with you and style my hair and we'll have a look at the results. So yes, see you in a bit. All washed out of my hair. Let's towel dry. Okay. Right, so that is it, nearly dry. I'm not really holding out much hope here. I will see you in the morning. So it is the morning. I've got my face on. I'm all dressed and ready. Just popping my earrings in. We'll have a chat about that later. But first I am gonna just style my hair. But I need to be quick about it because I need to go to my dad's house. But yeah, let's run some straighteners through it and we'll discuss. Right guys, so all done, all styled, and this is the finished result. I can't say that I'm 100% happy because I'm certainly not. This is not silver or grey or anything. This is just slightly toned. I'll put a before and after picture here. As you can see with the before and after picture, there is a slight difference, but it's just because it's just slightly been toned to a cooler colour. There is no silver. That's not silver. And that hair was quite light, but just to show you there. That's really, really disappointing. I'm going out tomorrow night and I wanted to have nice grey hair or silver hair. Okay, I mean I like it, it's nice because it has toned it nicely, but that's not what I was after. I was after silver hair. If you're looking for a nice conditioning treatment, this is certainly that. It's lovely and conditioning on the hair. When you're using it, the smell isn't obnoxious at all. It's a barely there smell, if I'm honest. But yeah, very, very conditioning. You can see, you can see the shine on my hair, which is nice. Again, I do like it for its conditioning purposes, for its slight toning purposes, but that is not silver. So unfortunately, because it hasn't given me the colour that it states, it gets a thumbs down. For everything else, it gets a thumbs up. But yeah, that concludes this video. What silver or grey hair dyes can you recommend? I'm currently wanting to do semi-permanent. I might do permanent in the future, even though the permanent ones aren't permanent, it's just more washes before it comes out. But yeah, any semi-permanent hair dye recommendations, as long as it's grey or silver, let me know. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.